Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I don't like to gamble in this market in particular, but I have seen this pattern before. This is ticker ATT. It's A-Tour Lifestyle Holdings. It's a casino company, and they have hotels and stuff like that. But this is a new issue. It launched in November, December of 2022, which is not a great time for an IPO, but it has been acting beautifully. A monster move off the low here on the IPO. And so what I want to see from this chart here is a test of the highs. You can see the high of the IPO is up at around this $30 range, and we can just draw this beautiful downward sloping trend line from the high to today's high. And so while we are waiting some economic data for tomorrow, I think that this stock has a possibility for a potential breakout and retest of this high here. So what I want to see is a strong move through this clear downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. I'd probably look to take at least partial profits near the $29 level, only because it had such a monster move here today. Anyone who bought the low here yesterday gets back up to the highs. I mean, that's a 23% gain in just a short amount of time, which is a pretty good move. That's a year maker for some investors. So I would definitely look to take partial profits around that $30 range if it can break out and hold above that level, and then maybe see if it can make a new high above $30. So this is one stock that I'm watching into the close, into the week, and we'll see how it acts. So this is just one of many stocks that I have on my watch list, and I wanted to share with you. If you want to see what else we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.